Family jang kamau kerwat na Seng Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP upa Renik ton lingdo tongkar hakasingi sajan ulaong baka jingra jang u ban mi na kaseng HSPDP banlet penyeso pat shaka UDP kamdei satia bu haram ya ka party hynrei na maru ong baka de ka jingdon kam ka jaidbynriew ban ya kun pynkhlaiñ tang ya kawei ka seng riewlum hakajilla Habakali ke jingwan shimbenta ke jingra ke UDP ke lingko snem ba arpusan jongka jingsdang ba ke jingple ke office la ka dei ka dak ke bashai ba unya so shakane ke seng uba Renik ulaong kiju ong pinget ba POE ba kane hi ke dei ke jubab ke bashai ulaong Habalakali la ko mudakot ke HSPDP uba job ba yo menteri ru na kane ke seng dan jings ngau sin aya ka party uba Renik tan ulaong bakam de setia ka jingle ben yak HSPDP ba unlet shaka UDP namaru ong hakini kisan snem ula trei borba nakabenta ka party hynrei ka de ka jingdon kam ka jaidbynriew ba unsa shim yakane ka rai
Pagkano ba balik pi haram HSPDP klai minister pi arsnem shte menta pimi no
Ngam shim haram ya ka party HSPDP ka party HSPDP ka shim haram ya ngilale ya kabadai hakaba ngila respect each other nganur banong ba ngalayo jingmetoy na ka HSP ba ngej ba ka HSP kalayo jingmetoy na SMS juga
kemungkinan HSPDP kalayo tidak mo ba okay
ngangej kumta
kimsosnya ya ka party la jong ba menta masamlen do tinam filami no ndo na malem ta HSPDP kuno saya party la jong
ka pi ka ngasej ong ba ngabu ka jaidbynriew hakmat But di parti ngapat ong ta kanu parti ta mengabu ba ka parti kawan baar jaidbynriew di makma bagi sekri kari biya dengan yang apa
bisu dikenapat pemerintah hi kun UDP wa kin job yang
ngadon ke jingai bangan job yang ngapat ong fi kun nang nu petri ngadon jingai bangan job yang akan election peruan
ditbok
bedbak makerwat kil express tangan ngayu iya ta ya kejikwa bedbak bagi keren bangan job yang
ditbok
I am for everything. There's time for everything to happen. And sometimes even though you try so hard, but if you try at the wrong time, thing will never happen. So there's time for everything, and I think that this is the time that people are looking to strengthen the regional parties. And there was a cry everywhere that by having so many political parties, so many regional parties in the state, we are weakening ourselves by having so many regional parties. So this is the wants of the people in the state of Nigeria to strengthen regional parties and to have only one strong party. So that's why I'm saying that it is the right time, and I wish to see that the strongest party will be able to make it in the coming election 2023. Kerana pada sokmen ia kena bisa kat kawei neki special invites makan dia bandel akan ke sengi bakrau jo parti UDP akaba layo beli kena office ke bahaya jo parti baru ya kejing lengko kejing dak arpu samsnan jo parti UDP dengan aku ba I'm very happy that I have been invited to be with the party UDP today in this 2050 year celebration, as well as the inauguration of this office of the party.
So it's a clear indication that you are with the party now?
I will not say anything, but I just, in my observation, I can say one thing, that the achievement of party UDP today, it was never before, and the achievement of the party UDP that it will achieve in 2023, it is also never before. So that I have seen on today's celebration, and I wish the party all the best at the right time. So I still don't want to say anything on this, but as you always believe that seeing is believing, so you have seen the thing that has happened, so it will keep happening, and let's see at the right time, the right moment.